Unfortunately, TPS for Haiti is coming to an end on September 2nd. Your work permit is also ending on September 2nd. Here's what you should be thinking about as your lawful status is coming to an end. Number one, it will be ending. Yes, I know that there's litigation going on, and from time to time I might even mention it, but the reality is, guys, at this point, the Trump administration has already made their case regarding TPS for Haiti, and it is coming to an end, so you've got to prepare for it. Number two, if you do not already have a removal order, there's a very strong possibility that they will issue a notice to appear in immigration court, but not to worry, because for some of you, you will receive a far out date, 2028, 2029, or maybe even 2030, because that's where the immigration courts are at this time. For the first hearing, the second and final hearing will be scheduled for a date much further away. So there's plenty of time to strategize with an attorney about what you can do about your case. Number three, if you already have a removal order issued against you, and some of you do because we've worked with you in the past, speak with an immigration attorney to find out whether there's a way for you to reopen that case. Get on it right away, guys. Do not hesitate. You might have a reason to ask either the court or the BIA, the Board of Immigration Appeals, to reopen your removal case. Number four, if you entered under the humanitarian parole process under Biden, you're most at risk and vulnerable to being placed in a fast-track expedited removal process. Again, you also need to speak with an attorney to see what your options are to avoid that process, because they are going after individuals who have been in the country for a very short time. Number five, if you've already started a process to get a lawful status here or a green card, you are in a good place right now. Continue with your process. This ending of TPS will likely not hurt you, particularly if you're already going through an adjustment of status process. Number six, for some people, they might be able to transition to an asylum case. Yes, an asylum case, an affirmative asylum filing to USCIS if they can show that they have a credible fear of returning to Haiti. Again, speak with an attorney about this, because with this particular strategy, what it could mean for you is that you'll have more years here in the United States to have your asylum case sorted out by the government, in addition to the possibility that things for you might change along the way, and therefore you might be able to transition to adjustment of status. Last week, I did a lengthy live session about options for individuals who are in the process of losing their lawful status, because millions of people are in this process right now. Go back, I'll put a link to it here. Watch that live session, because in it I speak about other options that you might be able to consider if it applies to you. You never know. Guys, I'm covering all things related to Trump immigration changes. Follow for more.